A very warm and healthy good morning to all of you. This is for 3rd to 5th English. Now I welcome you to the grammar class. First grammar class we learnt what is noun. A noun is a word used to name a person, place or thing. Noun is a naming word. Before going to the topic, now let us revise previous class. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of a specific person, place or thing. Proper noun means special names. Specific person or particular person called proper noun. And then proper noun begins with a capital letter. Proper noun begins with a capital letter. For example, Tuesday. T is capital letter. And then December. D is capital letter. Satya. S is capital letter. And then etc. Already you learnt kinds of noun, isn't it? Noun can be classified into dash kinds. You say, yes, 5 kinds. What are they? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Already we learnt proper noun, isn't it? Today we are going to learn common noun. Now let us learn common noun. A common noun is the name of given to any person, place, animal or thing. Common noun means general names. We now know that all nouns have a common name and also that some nouns have a special name. Now look at the following pictures. Identify them. Who is he? Yes, he is a boy. He is a boy. Look at this picture. What is this? Yes, this is a dog. Now identify the picture name. Yes, this is a fort. This is a fort. And then you say, what is this? Yes, this is a car. All these names are general names of a person, an animal, a place and thing. Here, boy is the name of a person. Dog is name of an animal. Fort is name of the place. Car is the name of the thing. Person, animal, place, thing. These are common nouns. For example, who is he? Yes, he is a clown. He is a clown. In this sentence, we are talking about a clown. Clown is a general name for a person. Clown is a general name for a person. They live in a city. They live in a city. In this sentence, we are talking about city. City is the general name for the place. City is the general name for the place. It is his dog. In this sentence, we are talking about dog. Dog is the general name for the animals. This is pastry. In this sentence, we are talking about pastry. Pastry is the general name for the thing. Students, now listen carefully. She is a girl. Girl is a common noun, as girl can be any girl without being a specific name. What is this? City. City is a common noun, as city can be any city without being a specific name. And then what is this? Yes, this is a dog. Dog is a common noun, as dog can be any dog without a specific name. And then see, this is computer. Computer is a common noun, as computer can be any computer without being a specific name. Girl, city, dog, computer. These are called common noun. We have learnt about people who serve us, isn't it? Do you know these are common nouns? A doctor cures the sick people, and then a carpenter does the woodwork. A painter paints the building. A teacher teaches us. A driver drives the vehicles. A cobbler mends the shoes. Here, a doctor, a carpenter, a painter, a teacher, a driver, a cobbler are common nouns. And then, do you know birds? Do you know these are common nouns? Peacock, pigeon, eagle. Peacock, pigeon, eagle. These are common nouns. Do you know animals? Do you know these are common nouns? Elephant, cat, dog, horse, camel. Elephant, cat, dog, horse, camel. These are common nouns. Children, do you understand what is noun? And in today's topic, what is common noun? Do you understand? And then today you have common noun worksheet. You read well all the Roman. After you write the answer and take photo, send through WhatsApp. Thank you, students.